Chiune gi ringre nyathi moro manyocha olal jumbe ariyo mokalo e kar kano ringre osiptal ma Nakuru Referral. Ringre Masiche Ng'eno ma jadweche 7 noyangi ni olal e kar kano ringre jomotho ma Nakuru no bang' wito ngimane e kinde manore kod thieth osiptal no. Nyathino ma jonyuol nitiere kod ng'ol pod imanyo ringre ne kaka tenda kar kano ringre no wacho ni medo nono matut ywak makamano.
6th February 25th, the family was informed that Mercy's body had mysteriously disappeared from the mortuary. Under highly suspicious circumstances, the hospital staff and management have failed to provide any satisfactory answers, and the investigation into this matter remains frustratingly slowly.
We are here to support our brother here and our sister, the both of them. They are both deaf. They have not been sleeping. They have been asking many questions. The government is just sleeping and there is no activity. So we are only asking that. And that's why we came here to support our brother here and our sister so that they can get back their child.
When we discovered this act, that we have a missing body in our mortuary, hospital yetu ndio iliita polisi. We are the ones who reported to the police because this is a very serious police issue. It's a criminal activity. It's a crime that has been committed. And therefore, mi Kenya nitauliza community yote, jamii, we are cooperating fully with the police. Tutasoma content ya hii petition and we'll also continue collaborating